If you've been trading for months or even years and you're still not consistently profitable, it might be because you're doing too little. It might be because you've been following advice that sounds good but actually holds traders back. Today, I'm going to share with you 5 pieces of trading advice that I think do more harm than good and what I do instead. If you're new here, I'm Giles and I'm a trader who's passionate about helping people simplify trading and focus on what actually matters, not chasing the next shiny strategy. Advice/myth number 1, just find the perfect strategy. This is probably the biggest myth in trading. People spend months jumping from strategy to strategy. They have a losing a week, and immediately think the strategy is broken. The reality is you probably just need to be more consistent, because consistency beats jumping from strategy to strategy every single time. As per usual, it's about discipline, being disciplined enough to take one strategy and follow that strategy consistently. Myth/advice number 2, more indicators means better signals. And at one point, I thought that would be better analysis. But look at this chart. To me, it just looks all really messy and I don't really know what I'm looking at. Instead, you end up with analysis paralysis due to conflicting signals and you end up doing nothing. You want to keep the charts as simple as you can. Maybe 1, perhaps 2 indicators, and stick with your strategy. Don't rely on the indicators. Simple charts means simple strategy, means consistency over time, and you're more likely to win. Advice number 3, get your money back. I've lost a trade, I'm going to get that money back. That is emotional trading, and that is where you will lose. And take it from one who knows, because he's done it on more than one occasion. You emotionally trade. If you're, I'm going to do that because I need to get that money back, then you almost certainly won't get that money back. In fact, you will almost certainly lose all more money, making you even more frustrated. So do yourself a favor and just go, it was a loss, move on, tomorrow's another day. And when you start doing that, obviously you're being more consistent and more true to your strategy. And when you do that, your strategy will win for you. We all get losing trades, every single person. And if we chase those trades back, we'll lose again. Just have to put it back to one side and move on calmly. Advice/myth number 4, you risk more to grow faster. Again, speaking from experience, you risk more to grow faster. Probably you're risking more to die quicker. It's about being in the game for the long run, not about getting rich quickly. If you decide that you're in this trading game for the long run, then you'll be in it for a long, long time. And those who are in it for a long time are the ones that make a lot of money. If you decide that you want to get rich quickly, chances are the market will take from you. You may get rich quickly, but you will probably lose it quickly as well. I've tried that. I tell you what, I'm just going to risk 3, 4, 5% just for the next couple of days. The strategy seems to work. Yeah, leave that one behind, shall we? Go back to your 0.5 or your 1% trade and just gradually build over time. Use your prop firm to help you, and you will be a winner if you're consistent. Consistency beats racing every time. Myth number 5 is that winning trades makes you a good trader. It absolutely does not. You can win a terrible trade and you can lose a really good trade. And good traders do lose, and bad traders do win. But the difference is the good trader will just let the loss go and carry on regardless, just gently and calmly. Winning does not make you a good trader. Judge yourself on the quality of your decisions, not on the outcome of one trade. What I like to do is I like to back test my trades from the previous week, go back into those trades and have a look what I took and see if I would have taken those trades if I'd been completely non-emotional, as I am at the end of the week. And it's quite interesting actually to see that and to discover that you were emotionally involved in the trades, even though you didn't think that you were. And the more aware of those emotions you are, the more you can negate them and get rid of them. And if you're not an emotional trader and you're just consistent with your strategy, then you will win. Trading is not about finding shortcuts. It shouldn't be about finding shortcuts. It's about doing simple things consistently over a long period of time. And the traders who succeed aren't even necessarily the smartest traders. As Zig Ziglar said, your attitude, not your aptitude, determines your altitude. And that's really, really useful piece of advice. Calmly, gently, consistency will beat going for it and finding different strategies and being all shiny and getting carried away with stuff, because that won't work. You go calmly and gently. It's a bit like the hare and the tortoise. The tortoise wins eventually. The ones who stick to the process that will win, not the ones who go a bit mental. And in case you're thinking, this guy's got it all sussed, I'm still learning. I'm still not perfect. I try to be consistent and I try to be non emotional. Sometimes it's difficult, but other times I'm really, really good. But that doesn't last. I'm still trying. That's all you've got to do. Keep trying, keep showing up, keep doing the do. Which piece of trading advice do you think is the most damaging that you've been taught over the years? I think the indicators one is probably the one for me. It's like, actually get these indicators, get those indicators, and all of a sudden you're just confused. I would genuinely like to hear your thoughts on that. And if you like my content, then please do subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me.